Hey guys, so today's video will be an update video, but before I get into my update, I wanted to address last week. I wanted you guys to hear me out. I have been posting on my Instagram, but there was a point last week where I had to step back. I had to take a step back to mentally get myself where I need to be because my life didn't stop. Obviously, I still have 3 kids that weren't understanding why I wasn't paying attention to what they needed, and I was just everywhere. I took the week off not only for my own mental health, but as well as to stand up and be silent, to listen and to learn, as well as to pray. I've been praying nonstop. What is happening is something that needs to change. I've experienced racism myself. The first time I can remember experiencing racism, I was 6 years old. I'm sure that others have experienced worse than I have, but regardless, it doesn't feel good. It shouldn't happen and it doesn't feel good. Racism is sin. That's what it is. It's sin. God created us all in his image and we are all beautiful. We are the human race, and it's sad that we have forgotten that. I hope that with everything that's happening, voices are heard, laws are changed. Those that have broken the law, those that have taken advantage of power, definitely should be punished for it. I completely 100% agree with that. Just like my kids, if one of them misbehaves or treats other ones differently, I'm not going to let that go, and we shouldn't let that go either. But with that said, not everyone is in the wrong. I'm trying to spread as much love as I possibly can. You can't fight hate with hate, and I've been seeing that a lot through social media. And I know that we have to shed light on those individuals and those instances that need to be shown and brought to justice, but not everyone is doing the wrong thing. Not everyone is saying the wrong thing. And I hope that we can understand that and not make one bad person account for a whole entire group. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to continue to listen, to learn, obviously pray. That's my one thing that I've been doing this whole entire time. And I hope that we can come together. I've been seeing a lot of changes already, a lot of unifying of the beauty community, of the world in general. So I hope it does continue, even though this week has ended. I will try to do a lot more than I already have. I am listening. I am learning. I hope you guys are doing whatever it is that you need to do in order for all of us to be united. I hope that this opens doors for other ethnicities and other cultures as well in our country to make this better. It may take a while, but so long as we continue, we can do it. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm present. I am present. So now we are here for my update. This was supposed to go up last week, but obviously that did not happen, and that's okay because my mind was not there to film. Honestly, you guys, today's the first day I have worn makeup in about 9 days. I could not even put on makeup because literally tears kept running down my face, literally every single day. So this is my 10 and 20 update. I believe this is update number 5. Hopefully one day I'll get this right. We have 10 products. This is rolling, and I have met my goals on some products. I will be rolling out and then rolling some new products in. So I have my list in front of me, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with this foundation. This is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correcting SPF 50. So we had this last month at 36 grams. Right now we have it at 30 grams. So I used 6 grams of this product. This is actually pretty good. Look at that. I'm very proud of myself for this. Now, I have been getting a little bit of a tan. I don't know if you guys can tell. I am pretty sure I'm going to get more of a tan coming up. So I will have to mix this with a liquid bronzer pretty soon in order for me to finish this up, because this is not going to be my summer color. But my goal is to finish this up, so I'm not going to stop. I will not stop until this is done. So I will move move on, and hopefully this will be done, I would say, by the end of the summer. Let's cross our fingers because this is very deceiving. This may look like it's almost done, but there's still a lot more in there. My MAC Pro Longwear. So I kept last month flickering it and trying to get everything out of the edges. I'm officially done with this product. I cannot get any more of it. Anything you see on the edges is completely stuck on there. I can't pump any more out of it. I don't want to pop this open because I just don't want to break the glass. I know I will break the glass because I'm an idiot. So I'm just going to call it done. I can't pump anymore. So it is done. It's not that I'm calling it done. It is done. There is no more to come out of this sucker. So this is a product that I will be rolling out, and I will be rolling something else in its place. So I have one down at least, this update. Now let's move on to my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. So last month, this was at 66 grams, and now we are at 65 grams. I told you 1 gram a month. And that's okay, 1 gram a month. So here's what it looks like now. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it every day. I still like this powder. I don't feel like it washes me out. Maybe we'll see when I get deeper in skin tone as the summer goes on. But for now, I'm still going to continue to use it. I still have yet to hit pan on it. It's going to take me a while. Wow. I'm very shocked at how long these take because I know they're expensive, but they last a while. So this is still in the running. My Sephora Bronzer. So this one, I actually filmed a whole video of me repressing this bronzer. In the video, you guys can see that I had a big dent in the center, a big pan in the center. So I wanted to at least bring it all down on one end. This is what it's looking like right now. I have used it a bit, but now as you guys can see, I have a lot more to go. Once I repressed this, I realized how much more product I still have. The repressing of this just made me see that I probably have like still half of a regular size bronzer left. It's a lot of product. And the reason why I didn't repress it right in the center is because these little grooves right here are raised. And if I put this in the center, it'll crack around the edges. So I had to put it on one side. Even though I repressed this, it still has the same summery scent that it's always had. So I know I didn't ruin the product. Still looks beautiful on my skin. I am going to roll this out for now. This is not the end of this bronzer. I will bring this back sometime in the end of the year, but right now I want to concentrate on the bronzer in my Pan That Face palette because that one mainly suits me starting now that I have a little bit of a tan going on. So I'm going to start using that one. That's one I'm using today. I have not used this one since the last time I filmed, honestly. It's been about 9 days since I filmed, so it's been a while since I used this. I'm just going to roll this out, put it back in my collection, but it will be coming back because I do want to finish this by the end of the year. So I'm going to roll something else in its place. I didn't officially meet my goal by finishing it up, but I'm not giving up on this product. My Jane Iredale spray. So this one was 62 grams last month. Now I'm at 39 grams. This has been helping me out. I have really enjoyed this. I don't have much left of this, you guys. I probably have like a week and a half's worth of this. I'm not going to say this is done yet because this is very deceiving. It feels like it doesn't have a lot, but I still get a lot coming out of the sprayer. So I'm still going to keep it in, but I know that by next month this will be done. This obviously doesn't weigh 39 grams. Like there is no 39 grams of product in here. It's just how much this weighs. I'm just happy I'm able to get this done. I will roll something else in next month, but for now this is still going to stay in it because I can't see how much I have left. So I'm going to guess it's going to be done by next month by the way it feels. My Lorac eyeliner. So with this one, you guys are going to see the same old picture from last month. It doesn't look like I did much. Last month, you guys know that I really didn't use this because of my allergies. My allergies are now under control and they're basically gone at this point, but I'm using this. I have it on under in my tight line, but because I don't use that much, you don't see a significant amount of product leaving here. This is my long haul one. This is going to stay in here. I don't even know if I should mark this anymore, honestly, you guys, because I always feel like it's the same mark because I only do whoop, whoop. So it's not even like I'm doing a lot to my eyes to make this go down. I just want to get more use out of it. I like it. I like the way that it looks and it stays on my tight line without actually transferring down to my waterline. So we're still going to keep it and it's gonna be here forever. My Sephora Volume Mascara. So this mascara, I was almost done with it. Now it's officially done. This is dried up. Every time I put this on, it doesn't have a lot to coat on my lashes and it was crumbling down on my face. So I'm calling this one done. I'm happy I finished it. This was just a gimme product that I threw in here just to kind of get myself motivated to continue with this project. So I am done with this. I'm happy I'm done with it. So this is the third product that will be rolling out this update. My Makeup Forever Loose Powder. So with this product, I rolled this in last month and it was brand new. So I weighed it at 52 grams and now it is at 46 grams. I'm very surprised at how much I've used of this. I've been using it every day that I've worn makeup and I'm wearing it today. It still looks pretty and I like the fact that it is tinted. So it doesn't make me look like I have a white cast even when I become a little bit more darker. It's a pretty powder. It's very finely milled and I do like the way that it looks on my skin. So I'm happy. If you look at it though, I don't have much left. I didn't have much to start with, but I don't have much left. So I don't know, maybe another 2 months of this and this should be done, but it's still here. My Ulta Corrector. So last month, I told you guys I was ready to pull out the stopper and I did. And now look, you guys, you can clearly see that I am officially done with this one. I scraped as much as I could out of it today, but this is done. This is officially done. I will not repurchase this. One, there isn't that much product in it. Two, it really didn't cover as much as I wanted to because this is more of a pinky peach than an orangey peach, and I need more of an orangey peach type of corrector. I have already purchased the ones that I wanted, so I'm not going to repurchase this. This is officially done. I could put this in my empties for the end of the year, so this is the fourth product that we'll be rolling out. And last but not least is my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Last time it was brand new, so there was no usage to it. It was completely brand new. And if you guys know, most of the times when you use an eye primer, the first few times there's an air pocket that comes out. So right now, I am right there. That's where I'm going to start it. I've been using this every day that I wear makeup. Now that I have gotten that air pocket out, now I can actually mark it. So I am going to mark it and we're going to see how much we get use out of it. This just made me realize how bad the last one I was using, the Balm one, was so greasy and so slippery. This one really does a good job. Like, this really does remind me of the Milani one. So I didn't like it years ago, and now that I've tried other ones, I kind of like this one. But again, I would still stick to the Milani one because it's very similar to this one, but I do enjoy it. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it and I can trust it throughout the summer, so I'm happy I have it at least for the summertime. All right, you guys, so now that I have gone through all the products, we have rolled out 4 products. So we have these 3 products right here plus the bronzer. So I'm going to pull out 4 products to roll in for this month. All right, you guys, so the first product that we're going to roll in is a lip liner. I don't have a lip liner in any of my project pans, so I figured this would be perfect. This is the Jordana Easy Liner in Rock and Rose. So I will mark this, but I want to show you guys how much product I have in here. This one's going to be rather easy. I like this color. I like this color and I like a warm tone nude. So I think I know in the future what kind of lip liners I'm going to be able to purchase once I'm done all of them. So this is my first one I will be rolling in. I will mark it so that we know where we stand with it. The second product I want to put in is my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Corrector. I purchased these when they were on sale a while back and I had it in its container. I've not touched it since today was the last day I used the Ulta one. So here's where our beginning is. Brand new. I will start to use this. This is probably going to be here for the rest of the year because not a lot is needed. In the summertime, I can get away with less correcting because as my skin gets deeper, it kind of camouflages my dark circles and I don't look so undone, dead, tired, you know, the whole drill. So I don't think I'm going to use that much starting off. Once my tan wears off, that's when I feel like I need to use this more. So this is the second product we'll be rolling in. Now, the third product is this. This is my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the color Medium Peach. I bought this one thinking I could use it as a corrector, but no, I can't. But this is perfect for me now that I have a tan going on. So you guys, this is brand new. It's like pretty full. I've been using this one. I started using it today. Ever since the MAC one finishes is one I've been gravitating towards. I'm gonna weigh it so then we know where we stand with it. But this is the third product that I'll be rolling in. Goal for that one as well. I feel like it'll be here for the rest of the year. I think these two will definitely be here by for the whole rest of the year. This one, obviously, I'll finish. I know I'll finish that one. And the last one is this. This is my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. Yeah. This is my Becca Skin Perfector in Opal. So here's where we at. I will take pictures of it. You guys, this is my very first one that I ever purchased. Is rather old, a few years old, and I can only use this in the summertime. So I'm going to take advantage that I am now having a tan. I love how this looks on me. I think it looks beautiful and natural and glowy, and I can mix it with different types of highlighters. So my goal for this is to hit pan. I hit pan on Moonstone last year and then I finished it up. My goal is just to hit pan on this. I want to get more use out of this one. So that is my goal for the fourth product in this project pan. So that is it, you guys. That is my update for 10 in 2020 project pan. We rolled out 4, rolled in 4, so I will take pictures of everything, mark everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for all of your support, and I will catch you guys in a new video on Wednesday. Bye, guys.